Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you how to move data extensions to the folders you want to move them to. So let's get started. So first let's go to Email Studio, click Email here under Email Studio, hover over Subscribers, click Data Extensions, search for the data extension that you want to move in this search bar here, and we have our demo extension that we want to move here. So we'll click this checkbox here and we'll come over here to where it says Move. And then we'll choose the folder location that we want to move this to, or we can create a new folder. And then we'll click OK. And that's how you move a data extension in Email Studio. Let's look at how to move a data extension in Contact Builder. So now we're in Contact Builder, and we're going to click on Data Extensions here, and we'll search for our demo extension here in the search bar by typing in the name or starting to type in the name and clicking Search. And then our demo extension shows up here. And we'll click the checkbox next to that demo extension, data extension, and then click Move right here. And then the same process shows up here where we can move it to a specific folder or create a new folder. And when we're done with that, we can click Done. And that's how you move a data extension in Email Studio and in Contact Builder.